Hey guys, this is Deepa. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video here. From last few days I realized that whenever we wake up in the morning and we have to go to college, to office and somewhere else out, we find ourselves struggling what to wear, how to get ready, to look pretty and beautiful entire day. And then we realize that we have very less time to get ready. So what to do then? So I decided to show you my ways to get ready so quickly and to get your beautiful and comfy look throughout the day.
Before outfits, I'll show you a quick and easy makeup. This will be common to every outfit. I first apply moisturizer on my face and neck. This moisturizes my skin, which is so important. After this, I apply my CC cream. I do not use foundation, concealer like things because I don't prefer wearing those on my face for whole day. This cream gives me very natural effect and it is very light and simple to use. For me, compact is one of my essential because I feel that it completes my makeup. Highlighting your eyebrows can be optional, but not for me because my eyebrows are much more lighter than the normal ones. So I prefer making my brows dark. It makes them look more attractive on my face. Eye makeup is one of my favorite part because I can experiment a lot over there. If I'm going to college, I do not apply too much of eye makeup like eye shades, eyeliner and all. I simply use mascara and that's it. Only mascara can make your eyes so attractive and beautiful. For my lips, I first apply a little bit of gloss and then any light colored lipstick. I usually ignore dark lipsticks for my college makeup because I can't handle them for a long time. So this was a quick and simple makeup. Now let's move to our looks.
The first look, I am wearing a light blue pleated shirt, making it full sleeves. This shirt is made up of cotton fabrics, which makes me feel so comfortable throughout the day and I feel so relaxed with it. In the bottom, I am wearing a blue high waist jeans, which gives me a very elegant look and it makes me look cool as well. As I am wearing a loose shirt on the top and a slim fit jeans in the bottom, it makes a proper combination of an outfit. I am completing my look with white sneakers and keeping my hair very simple with high bun, and this black backpack looks so cool with this outfit. In the second look, I am wearing a dark blue straight pant and above I am wearing a skinny mustard top. The neckline of the top makes the look very stylish and the color combination of these two enhances the look too. This look is so comfortable for me throughout the day. I'm completing this look with golden and blue strap flat footwear and keeping my hair very simple with side fishtail braid. This beautiful maroon bag is complementing the entire look, and this was the beautiful look number 2. Moving towards look number 3. In this look, I am wearing a blue denim dungaree with red check shirt. I am keeping the straps of the dungaree straight behind, not crossed, and making knot with shirt at the back. The dungaree is quite loose in fit, so this gives me a combination of comfort and style at the same time. This outfit is quite funky, so I am completing the look with white sneakers and making my hair very simple with a samurai ponytail. Again, the same black backpack makes the look very cool. So these were 3 basic basic college looks which I created. You can make many changes according to yourselves. All you have to do is just to go to your wardrobe, pick up anything you have and make your own combinations according to your style and your comfort, and then you're just ready to go. If you relate and find this video helpful, please give me a big thumbs up. Comment for your suggestions and queries, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. So see you in the next video. Till then, don't forget, you're beautiful.